Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a package that I got from YSL. Most of the makeup that I usually order, I do a lot of like reviews of drugstore makeup on my channel. I do a few high-end things, but I've really been just like getting older in life and seeing the quality of the high-end makeup. I've kind of been like taking a turn and like I see the difference on my skin and everything. So I ordered some things from YSL and I want to unbox it with you guys because I want to show you like the presentation, you know, is it worth the money, like quality wise, all that kind of stuff. Also, so let me kind of tell you, I'm wearing some of the makeup that I bought today. So, but let's go ahead and jump into this and you guys can kind of see for yourself and figure out what you think about it. So this is how the packaging comes, like this in this box. And regular shipping box, and then when you open it up, it's got a really nice like YSL like logos here and here, and then it has, the box actually has, so these are the products that I ordered. I have a foundation, which I'm going to review each of these individually after this part. So I have the foundation, I have a concealer, and I opened these already because I had to get my son to open them because these nails, I couldn't open them. And then I have a lip and cheeky balm tint. But as far as packaging, so this is your paper of what you ordered, and then it's just empty. There's nothing. I can tell you when I did order these items, they it's just, yeah, like tissue paper that's kind of connected to the box. I can tell you when I did order these items, it gave me the option to pick out two sample colognes or perfumes, and I think they have unisex ones. Well, I did pick out two. I got them for my son because he's into colognes now, so I figured he would want those, so I gave those to him. But yeah, so they did give you two samples when I ordered these items, and then I also got 15% off because as a new customer, and I ordered directly from YSL, just so you know, and as a new customer they give you 15% off, so I got a little discount on these products. So the first item that I ordered is the YSL All Hours Foundation. It's sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 30. It's a luminous matte foundation up to 24 hours of full coverage, weightless feel. The color I got this in is in LW9 Light Warm, and I am wearing the foundation right now. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little swatch. Well, let me show you packaging. Sorry, I'm kind of like jumping the gun here. So this is the bottle. So the bottle is very good quality. You know, it's a nice size bottle. It is, let's give you the exact, it is 0.84 fluid ounces, 25 mLs, okay? Beautiful packaging, very like heavy duty, good quality. I mean, it's plastic. This is acrylic maybe? I don't know. I'm not good with materials, but it's like, or glass. Maybe it's glass. Why would I say acrylic? I'm thinking about nails. I don't know. So anyways, heavy duty, great packaging. It's got a pump top here. You guys can see that. It's got a pump top. I'm going to go ahead and put a little swab on my hand so you guys can see it. Like I said, the color I have this in is an LW9. It's a light warm. So that's the foundation. It looks like a warm color, but I felt, and it could be me because I was in the sun over the weekend, I felt like it was a little light for my skin, so I just put some bronzer on. And then the concealer, which I'm going to show you now, I think I got in a little bit darker color. It seems a little more of a warm, like golden color than the foundation. So this is the concealer, and this concealer is YSL All Hours Precise Angles Concealer, luminous matte face and eye concealer, and the color I got is LC5. And just a little fun fact, I just learned this the other day, YSL Beauty is owned by L'Oreal. Not all of YSL, just YSL Beauty. So this is the concealer. This concealer is 0.5 fluid ounces. And what I want to tell you that's important about this is this concealer is $40. Okay, and what's really important here is this is, like I said, 0.50 fluid ounces, and it's $40. I am planning on doing another video with some YSL versus NYX products, like unpackaging drugstore versus unpackaging high-end. But I ordered a $10 concealer from NYX, and it was, hang on, because I'm gonna tell you. Okay, I ordered a $10 concealer from NYX, and it's the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and it's 0.11 fluid ounces. 0.11 fluid ounces for $10. This high end is 0.5 fluid ounces, almost five times the amount, and it's $40. So essentially, you're paying the same amount for this drugstore concealer as you're paying for this high-end concealer. Because if you read the, you know, how much is in it, and you can kind of see, I guess, some of these bottles can be an illusion because they could be really fat and thick, but that they don't, it's more glass or more bottle than actual product. But 0.11 fluid ounces, the NYX for $10. 0.50 fluid ounces, the YSL for $40. So you're getting it for the same price. So if you like the high-end quality better, I mean, I guess the only reason to buy the other one is because you like the quality better. But I mean, I'm loving this quality. I have this concealer on as well, and I put it around my eyes, kind of like those T-zone areas around my nose. And I absolutely love it. I hope I don't get makeup on me. Okay, so packaging, beautiful packaging, just like the foundation. I'll kind of do a side-by-side comparison here. Foundation, the concealer, you can see they're both beautiful packaging. And I love how the YSL wraps around just to those two sides. And the same thing with the concealer, it wraps around. Now with the concealer, this, you don't pull off the top, it's a turn knob top. Same quality, good quality, just plastic lid. You're gonna turn it off, and let me tell you the color again as I'm applying it to my hand. LC5, okay? So you probably can see what I was saying here, how I got the concealer. I feel like it's a little bit, they're very similar, but I feel like it's almost a little bit darker than that, but maybe not, I'm not sure. It's very similar colors. But yeah, so that's how the foundation and the concealer look. Okay, let's move on to the next product that I got. So the next product that I got, and I got this because they had several things on their website, but like I said, I'm used to buying drugstore, but I wanted to buy high end, and I wanted to get my money's worth, you know. So I got, it's the new NU Lip and Cheek Balmy Tint, and this is it in the packaging. This retails for $29. And the color that I got is actually the only one they had available on their website, which is number 1 Flush. So you open this up. And for $29, it comes with 0.5 fluid ounces. I haven't compared this to any other, drugstore size-wise. But it's nice because, yeah, you're paying $29 for it, but you can use it on your lips. I do not have this on today. You can use it on your lips and as a blush. So you just take the, and the packaging for this is just very basic, just a little small plastic packaging. Trying to do an ASMR video here, no. But I just want you guys, if you hear it, maybe you can like kind of understand the quality, since, you know, we're through video and you can't touch and feel it. So just squeeze it out here. I removed the foundation and concealer, so I'm just gonna put a little bit here. I guess it's a fresh bottle, so it's a little like, okay, there it comes. There. It looks very red as I first put it on my hand. But no, very beautiful. Because it is kind of red, but it blends very nicely. It's a really nice color. I feel like with this color, a lot of different skin tones could use this color because it's bright, but it's not too bright. So that, I do like that. That's very pretty. I'll have to do a little short video on that and show you guys how it looks. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to. No forcing anybody, not forcing anybody. And click the notifications bells and click that like button if you like this video. Leave some comments below, guys, and let me kind of know like if you're interested in this stuff. If you have any advice for me, give me some tips on like some high-end makeup that you like. Please leave below some of your favorite high-end makeup because I would love to know. I would love to buy it and try it out since I'm really getting into the high-end makeup now. So thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching my video. I will see everyone in my next video. Everyone have a beautiful and blessed day. Life is gorgeous. Life is amazing. Look beautiful and enjoy it. I love you. Bye.